It-ton tal-ittra ta' Theresa May li skattat artiklu 50 ta' trattat u allura Brexit huwa relattivament kostruttiv. Din l-ewwel reazzjoni li tal-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat.
If everyone keeps to what we need to do on time, and that also includes member states making up their mind exactly what are their priorities, I think we can deliver on time, and that the said letter is a good start to what is essentially a bad day. This is a sad day for Europe.
Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat iddikjara dan wara laqgħa f'Kastilja mal-Prim Ministru Spanjol Mariano Rajoy. Kienet l-ewwel laqgħa bilaterali bejn iż-żewġ mexxejja fejn iddominat it-tema Brexit. U ż-żewġ mexxejja qablu li se jagħmlu dak kollu possibbli biex ikunu salvagwardjati l-interessi taċ-ċittadini Ewropej li jgħixu fir-Renju Unit u l-kumpaniji Ewropej illi investew fil-pajjiż ukoll.
It will be made very clear very soon that we don't want people to be pawns in these negotiations, and that rights in an ideal situation need to be preserved. Us as Maltese, we're very clear in our position that we would like our citizens in the UK to maintain the current status. We would also like our students to continue to enjoy the current access and fees they pay in British universities.
Minkejja li hemm ħafna x'ikun maqbul fi żmien relattivament qasir, Muscat qal li ħares il quddiem lejn negozjati kalmi u maquda. Reġa' tenna li l-ebda stat membru mhu se jnegozja rasu u li sal-20 ta' April il-mexxejja għandhom jaqblu unanimament dwar it-triq politika l quddiem mal-Unjoni Ewropea. Minnaħa tiegħu il-Prim Ministru Spanjol aċċenna fuq l-irwol kruċjali tal-Presidenza Maltija illi fi kliemu qed titmexxa bl-aħjar mod minkejja li qed jiġru affarijiet importanza internazzjonali li huma ta' sfida fuq il-futur tal-Unjoni u l-Ispanja hija grata għal dan. Fil-waqt li faħħar relazzjoni bilaterali bejn iż-żewġ pajjiżi.
Bilateral relations between Malta and Spain are magnificent. I am totally convinced that they will carry on in the future in this manner, and in this way I am convinced that we can always somehow improve in the coming months. There are no problems concerning our bilateral relations. We have agreement on many situations, and I would like to clarify this point very clearly.